Realme launched its new budget smartphone under C series in Indonesia called Realme C63. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme C63 features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 560 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Uni SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C63 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also comes with Mini Capsule 2.0 feature for notifications. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.26 by 76.67 by 7.74mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C63 has been priced in Indonesia for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,999,000 Indonesian rupiahs, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 2,299,000 Indonesian rupiahs. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 5th, in leather blue and jade green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C63 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.